Okay, so this one is 7-41, and I call it a bow tie problem. It says right in the book that these two triangles are similar. Solve for x. So to solve for x, hopefully you guys are getting the idea that when you have two similar triangles, you write a proportion just like we did in the last problem that we worked on. So the only thing you have to watch out for is that you put corresponding sides together. So does anyone have any idea on, what they want to say for corresponding sides? Oh, I forgot the 24. That's important. Anybody want to start off with our corresponding sides? Or in other words, just so you could go 20 is to 24 as x is to x plus 2, or you could go, if you wanted to go this one, I don't know, you just have to do them in the correct order. So we know that this 24 is corresponding with this one, don't we? Because they're in between the two angles that have the tick marks. What do you want to say, Sandy?
Wouldn't that one be 22? Because 22 plus 2 is 24?
Well, it says they're similar. We don't know. Does it say they're congruent? Okay, so I'll start it off. I'll just go 20 is to 24. That part's easy. You just pick two of the numbers and put them on the fraction. But now I have to be careful. So I picked two numbers that came off my left-hand triangle. So when I pick the two numbers for my right-hand triangle, I have to make sure they correspond. Whatever part of the right-hand triangle goes with the 20 has to be on the top. So which one is corresponding with the 20, the x plus 2 or the x? The x. And the reason I know is because I'm looking at these angles. The x is in between the double tick angle and the blank angle, and so is this one. Okay, so the x, and then that just leaves this x plus 2 on the bottom. Now, Sandy, you might be right if these turn out to be actually congruent. Then that might be right, but we're not assured that they're congruent. We're going to do cross products and see. So 24 times x is 24x, and 20 times x plus 2 is 20 times x plus 2, right? You have to do distributive property on those. So I got 24x equals 20x, what's 20 times 2, plus 40, doing my algebra, and then I want to get the x's all together, so I think I'd like to get the 2x away from my 40 right there.
Would it be 20x?
Huh? Oh, yes. Oh, thank you so much. See, it gets really confusing when I mess it up. If you don't stop me, thank you. Because 20 times x is 20x, right? 20 times 2 is 4. Okay, so that part's okay. Thank you. So that goes away. And there's 40. And there's 24 minus 20. And so what's x equal to? 10, right? So x is 10. So it turns out that this side is actually only 22. And this side's only, wait.
That side's only 12.
I mean 12, and that side's only 10. So it's not drawn to scale, is it? This triangle sure doesn't look smaller than that triangle. But it says that's 10. So we have to not trust, or we don't want to think that something is drawn to scale, because the book has warned us that they don't draw things to scale.